Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Techly Multimedia USB speakers. On the front of the box, we have an image of the speaker units. On the left hand side, we have some technical features which include a 3.5 mm audio jack, USB DC 5 volts power, and a cable length of 1 meter. Up here we simply have some Techly Multimedia USB speakers branding. On the bottom we have some importing and manufacturing information right here. In the middle we have a QR code that can be scanned for more information on the product. There is nothing on the sides, and on the back of the box we have some technical specifications and features as well. The features include 2 multimedia portable speakers to enjoy music everywhere. It is ideal for laptops, PCs, mobile phones, MP3s and other audio devices. It has a power supply via USB 2.0 and audio via 3.5 mm audio jack and a cable length of 100 centimeters. The specifications include a power rating of 6 watts, impedance is 4 ohms, signal to noise ratio is 58 decibels, frequency response ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kHz and distortion ranges from 80 Hz to 20 kHz with a variance of less than or equal to 1%. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the warranty card. This will give you all the information pertaining to the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up are the speaker units itself. We can see that it has a black color theme going for it with some silver highlights right in the middle around the drivers. The rest of the speakers have a matte black finish. On the back of one of the speakers, we have a sticker with the serial number and the specifications that we have already gone through on the box. Coming now to the cable, we can see that the end of the cable has a USB type A interface and a 3.5 mm audio jack. The 3.5 mm audio jack is of the TRS kind. In the middle, we have a little control module with a wheel on it to control the volume, and we have an indicator as well as to which direction the wheel needs to be turned in to increase or decrease the volume. So let's see these speakers in action now. For the purposes of this video, we will be using a Windows laptop. We will connect the USB type A interface into its appropriate receptacle for power and the 3.5 mm audio jack into the 3.5 mm audio port of the laptop. Now we can use these speakers to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Techly Multimedia USB speakers. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.